In primetime news tonight, scarred for life.
So happy that I'm here. I really thank God that I'm here to tell the story and everything.
The impact of defective airbags, which are now the source of worldwide recall. Know your tires. Woman who abducted baby at Victoria Jubilee Hospital charged.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business news, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman?
Thank you, Janella. Well, the public sector is expected to see some major changes. It will mainly be impacting human resource services. The finance minister says it's all a part of the public sector transformation program. We'll give you the details in the business day.
All right, from Herman to Jordan Fort with a headline, Story in Sports.
Yeah, Archie, for the first time, the West Indies not enjoying such a good time against the English in their test series, as the English lead has now swelled to over 400 runs on day 3 of their third test. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There is also sports commentary, weather and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we're asking, have you taken the airbag recall seriously?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.